Hi everybody. My husband always jokes, at least I think he's joking, that 2 zucchini plants are at least 1 too many. But I do want to show you his favorite zucchini. This is a costata romanesco. It's an heirloom zucchini. You can see the color's a little bit different. We're actually lucky to have it. Most squash plants either start off with an abundance of male flowers, some start off with an abundance of females. This one started off with 1 female, and it's got a couple more now, but just starting. It had abundance of male flowers, and they were not open yet. We do have more zucchini nearby, different kinds, and one of them started with an abundance of male flowers and started sooner. So this is probably cross-pollinated zucchini, and that doesn't matter since we're not saving the seeds. Let us know, have you ever tried costata romanesco? What's your favorite zucchini? Leave it in the comments below. Your typical zucchini. This is called Black Beauty. Today is July 21st. I'm going to give you a quick idea of how fast these actually grow. This is Alexandria. This is a Lebanese summer squash. It's not a zucchini technically because it's Lebanese, not Italian, but it is absolutely delicious. It's one of our favorite summer squashes, if not our favorite. But it's also very prolific, and you can see here female flower, a whole cluster of little female flowers in there, and some males too. So you've already gotten a couple fruit out of here, and we're about to get another one, and soon after there'll be more. So check it out, try it for yourself. Let me know if you try it. Have you tried it? How'd you like it?